So you've been experiencing your system being very slow recently, especially for Mac. This simple act can help you speed up and boost the efficiency of your system. So what you need to do is to be at your desktop, and you can just go ahead and press on the keyboard the shortcut keys Shift Command G on your Mac operating system, and you can be able to have this access to clear all your caches. You can see you can just double click on the first option and it's going to bring you over here. There are lots of temp files that are being stored here. All you need to do at this point is to select everything, do Command A and right click and just move everything to trash, and then you can come over to your trash and also empty the trash. It is going to be a lot of files if you've not done this for quite some time. So you can see so much files have been deleted. Wow, close to 100,000 items have been deleted. So if you find this helpful, please leave a like.